Alright, this video is about Unlink and Group Unlink. So we have these two groups of instances right here. This first group is, they all share the mesh data named cube, and this one right here, they share the mesh data named cylinder. So in case you want to have any of these objects here and disconnect them from the rest of the group so that they don't share the mesh data anymore, you can use the function named unlink right here. So we can have a multi-selection or just one, hit unlink, and you saw this change here. So now they all became three unique objects and they are not related to the others anymore, whereas these still are. And I'm just quickly undoing that. We can do that for multiple instance groups at the same time as well. So here, let's bring those into view. Let's hit unlink. And now they are all unique. And as you can see. All right, so that is unlink. And to be honest, it's basically the same, exactly the same functionality as what is right here under object, relations, make single user, and then you can choose a few different modes, but basically what we do is object and data, unlink object and data. And of course it's a little bit more readily available, and there's a little bit of like reporting that goes on as well. Group unlink, it basically does the same as unlink, except that it is able to do something which Blender doesn't offer out of the box. So what we can do right here is we can say, like I have these four selected and I'll hit group unlink. So now what happened is these cubes got split off from the rest of the group, but they do still share the same mesh data between each other. So I can edit this one and you see those four are all still related as well. And of course, this is also possible over multiple instance groups. So if we, so if we select all of these, and we have these two cylinders selected as well, and I'll hit group unlink. So these two became cylinder 3, and these two cube 8. So that's a handy tool which will allow you to split off multiple instances from the rest of their group, but still, you know, maintain a relationship between each other. And it's something that I use myself in sort of everyday work quite often, and I think it might be, you know, handy for anyone who works with instances regularly. All right, that's it. Thanks very much for watching.